Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to use the PEARS site search tool. This tool was created by the Nutrition Policy Institute to help local health departments and their partners check the PEARS system for site information. This tool can be used to see if your site is in PEARS, find your PEARS site ID, and identify if there are any issues with your site in PEARS. This tool can be used by those with PEARS accounts as well as those without. The first thing you want to do when searching for a site using this tool is to scroll down to the county and city field. This helps you narrow your search. To select the county where your site is located, you can either click the drop-down arrow and scroll, or you can type directly into the field. I'm looking for a site that is located in Alameda County, so I will start typing in Alameda County into the field. Next, you'll want to select the city at which your site is located. In this case, you can again click the drop-down arrow and scroll, or you can type directly. My site is located in Berkeley. Next, you want to enter either the name or address into the site field. I'm looking for Cragmont Elementary. So I can start typing that name in, and I see that it pops up on the list. Another way I could have looked for this site is by typing the address first. You'll see that once I select the site, several fields below pre-populate with information. This is information that has been entered into PEARS about the site. You'll be looking at these fields to check to make sure that the information we have in PEARS about the site is correct. So the first field you'll see is this question around whether the site is active or not. In this case, the site is active. If the site was inactive, this would read inactive in red. If a site is listed as inactive in PEARS, you will want to contact the Nutrition Policy Institute to reactivate it before you can enter any information about that site into the PEARS system. You'll see the site name as it's entered into PEARS, the site address as it is entered into PEARS, the zip code, the PEARS site ID, which is helpful information if you are working on the Slack project and need to use the site ID for data entry. You'll also see the primary site setting. In this case, it's schools because I searched for a school site. You'll also see a field about whether or not the site is an organization. Typically, this will read yes or no. Oftentimes, districts and store associations would be designated as an organization and would have a yes here. In this case, this is a school, so it has a no. Is the site part of an organization? If a parent organization was entered for your site in PEARS, a name will be listed here. In this case, the parent organization for Cragmont Elementary is Berkeley Unified District Office. Additional information about the site might also appear. In this case, we don't have any additional information. And lastly, the CDS code. This field will only pre-populate for schools and districts. But it's helpful to check to make sure for schools and districts that this number matches what is in the CDE directory. Once you have confirmed that all the site information is entered correctly, you can either search for a new site clicking on this button, and you'll see that the survey opens up again with blank fields. Or if you noticed some errors with what has been entered into the PEARS system, you can scroll up to the top area and click on the Site Management Form link. This links you directly to the NPI PEARS Site Management Form, where you can request any additions, changes, or activations or deactivations of a site that is in the PEARS system. And that is how you use the PEARS site search tool.